How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the run flat indicator, or the TPMS, on a 2012 Mercedes ML350. First thing you want to do is make sure your tires are aired up to the spec on the inside of the driver's side door jamb. It's really quite easy. Just turn your key to the accessory position, but don't start it. Let it run through all its warnings. This one, we're just after the run flat indicator, the TPMS. So press OK. You're going to want to get back to the main menu. So you just scroll through all your warnings. Press the left button. So press the left button. We want to go over to service. Press down to tire pressure. Press OK. Run flat indicator active. Press OK to restart. Press OK. And so once you make sure your tire pressures are where they should be, let's go down to yes. And your run flat indicator has been restarted. So then you can just back out of your menu. Start up the car. And at least that warning is gone from your dash. The other warnings, well, those are going to be videos for another day. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I hope it saved someone a trip to the tire shop or the Mercedes dealer, and hopefully saved a little bit of money. Well, that's it for today, everybody. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.